The relative view, this is an important view that we can use in SolidWorks drawings. For example, let's go ahead and place some part views of this bracket like we normally would when creating a drawing. We've got our standard views we can place, top, back, side view, and then the isometric that we can right click and place. So we'll drag this over here. What if we want a more custom view, another angle that we don't get from these 3 or 4 views? Well, we can use the relative view. We'll select one of these, faces of this part to get started. And the first orientation, it's asking us to select a face or plane. So if we want this to be the front view now, we can select that. And if we can switch this up, if we want, for example, to select the left view, we can rotate, select this side face here, and select the check mark. So now we're getting a view relative to those 2 faces we selected that's different from the standard views. And select OK. So we get a nice custom relative view. That's going to be it for this SolidWorks tutorial. Make sure to support me, become a bronze member of the channel, support me on Patreon, and like and subscribe this video.